Hello, friends. I'm just out here enjoying the beautiful weather today. I wanted to show you what's growing in our little garden. Look at these amazing cherry tomatoes. They are ripening so beautifully on the vine, and they look incredibly juicy and sweet. I can't wait to harvest them soon. Please like and subscribe. Thanks and have a blessed day.
I want to do a quick video of my butter crunch lettuce and my tomatoes before I do my next harvest. I harvested this butter crunch lettuce about 5 days ago, and it's growing crazy. I'm going to get a pretty good size harvest off of this next harvest I'm going to do today. This lettuce plant, I think, is 36 days old. It's full of leaves. I'm going to have to pull all the leaves off. I also have some store-bought onions that I've got 2 planted there. I had 3, but the lettuce plant grew too big, so I had to take one out. But this is my butter crunch lettuce and my arrow garden harvest on day 36. It's growing awesome. This is my micro dwarf tomatoes. It's on day 130. I've harvested this plant probably 6 or 7 times. I've gotten several hundred tomatoes off of this plant. And it's full again. It's still producing leaves. Still producing flowers. I've got flowers everywhere. The plant's full of tomatoes. I'm going to harvest those today also. This is my uric system. And this is my micro dwarf tomatoes. They're doing great. But I've got a pretty good harvest I'm going to get off of this. And here my Let Pod LP Max. This is on day 127. This plant has hundreds of flowers. I harvested this plant about 5 days ago. And I've got a lot of small tomatoes and a lot of flowers on this plant still. It's gotten huge. It's growing around the unit, and then even in the back is full of flowers. So I should be getting some tomatoes off this plant in the next couple of weeks. I said it's on day 127. And it's still growing great. Still has a couple tomatoes down in there. Got a few tomatoes throughout this whole plant. But this is my micro dwarf tomatoes in my Let Pod LP Max. And here's another arrow garden harvest. And this is some micro dwarf tomatoes. I've got a few that needs to be harvested off of this plant. It's growing out of the system. Every time I trim it, it gets bigger and bigger. This is really growing well, and it's still producing flowers. And I've harvested this plant several times, and it's getting huge too. But they're all doing great. I just wanted to do a quick update before I did my butter crunch lettuce and poured off all the red tomatoes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. When you like, it helps the video get out to other people. So please like the video. I'll see you again next week. Thank you.
Rooted indoors. We're looking for Sprout. Have you seen Sprout? Not yet, but we'll help you find them. Sprout and Smokey want to invite you to join our YouTube family, Rooted Indoors.
Woof woof.